When I think about products involving communication technologies, two words come to my mind: reliability and quality. And this is mainly because these devices have a crucial role to play in communication systems, meaning we must rely on them and be sure they meet the required level of quality. What does it mean from a design perspective? First, we must deeply understand the requirements, but not only those that are important from system point of view. We need to consider and think about other aspects as well, like for example how and where it's going to be mounted, or under what type of condition it will operate. So I would say the conception phase preceding the development stage is really important, because it's very difficult to implement changes in the middle of the hardware design process. Second, if we want to be sure the products comply with the requirements, we must invest a certain amount of time in testing to confirm everything behaves and works as intended.